In this session, let us discuss the details related to the subfamily Caesalpinoideae. Caesalpinoideae is one of the subfamily belonging to the family Leguminosae. Leguminosae is the third largest family in the angiosperms, and let us discuss some salient features of the plants belonging to Caesalpinoideae. Caesalpinoideae is a subfamily which is characterized by the most important timber yielding plants, medicinal plants as well as some ornamental plants. Let me give some examples. Bauhinia acuminata, Bauhinia alba and Bauhinia tomentosa. These are the important plants which are treated as the ornamental plants. Caesalpinia species, particularly Caesalpinia pulcherrima, then varieties of Cassia, Cassia fistula, Cassia tora and Cassia alata, and we have Delonix regia, then plants like Tamarindus indica. So, these are some representative examples of the plants which belong to the subfamily Caesalpinoideae. We shall discuss some salient features, that is the morphological features of the plants belonging to this subfamily. Coming to the habit, most of the plants belonging to this subfamily are trees. They are the tree forms. They are average sized or very tall trees. With respect to the stem is erect, it is woody, cylindrical, branched, and in some species thorns can be seen. Thorns can be seen, or spines, prickles can also be seen. Coming to the leaves, in Caesalpinoideae, members possess compound leaves. The leaves are compound. They are alternate, compound, and they possess much elongated petiole and usually bipinnately compound. And the petiole or the stalk of the leaf possess a well-defined pulvinous base, and the leaflets are small and they possess entire margin, acute or acuminate tip and reticulate venation. The leaves are bright green in color, and the lush green foliage adds to the beauty of the trees. Now coming to the inflorescence, here normally the plants produce racemose type of inflorescence, and the typical corymb can be seen in Caesalpinoideae. Corymb is a type of racemose inflorescence which is characterized by the production of the flowers in an acropetalous succession. Here we can see the formation of the flowers in such a way that older flowers are produced at the base and the younger ones towards the tip. But the thing is, normally the pedicel or the stalk of the lower flowers are much elongated, whereas the pedicels of the terminal flowers are shorter, so that almost all the flowers are brought to the same height. That is a speciality of the corymb, and this can be evidently seen in Caesalpinia pulcherrima. It is the typical example for the corymb type of inflorescence. Let us discuss the features of the flowers in Caesalpinoideae. The flowers are again zygomorphic, bisexual, pentamerous, hypogynous, complete and regular, and they are brightly colored. And normally some species of Caesalpinia, Bauhinia, Delonix and all these are cultivated in some areas, particularly in gardens, for the beauty of the flowers only. Now, each flower produces a long pedicel, and it possesses the non-essential as well as the essential organs. The non-essential organs are the calyx and the corolla, whereas the essential ones are androecium and gynoecium. With respect to the calyx, sepals are 5 in number. Usually they are also colored, sometime yellow, sometime pale pink, otherwise they are green in color. They are arranged in either valvate or twisted aestivation. Sometimes they also form a cup-shaped structure. The corolla has 5 lobes. 5 petals are free in nature and the petals are clawed. They possess a typical pointed structure and each petal is very peculiar. The petals are bright in color and they are the real organs of beauty. And normally the petals are arranged in ascending imbricate aestivation. That is a very important character attributed to the subfamily Caesalpinoideae. With respect to the androecium, stamens 10 in number, and usually these stamens are found in 2 circles and they are found either alternate or opposite to the petals. Gynoecium is very typical. It is monocarpellary, unilocular, superior ovary having numerous ovules on marginal placentation, and we can see a much elongated gynoecium structure in the subfamily Caesalpinoideae. And normally the fruit is a legume that is very typical to the family Fabaceae. A legume is the one which is derived from monocarpellary unilocular superior ovary with numerous ovules on marginal placentation. As mentioned earlier, majority of the plants belonging to the subfamily Caesalpinoideae are the ornamental plants. They are the plants which yield precious and quality timbers and they are widely cultivated even in gardens. That's a brief account on the subfamily Caesalpinoideae. Thank you very much.